Welcome to our tutorial showing you how to use our Population Estimates Customization download tool. Our population estimates can be found on our website, which you can reach at demographics.texas.gov. From our homepage, simply select the Estimates heading. On this page, you will find our latest vintage of population estimates available in both PDF files and zip files. The zip files contain a CSV version of the estimates along with a copy of the methodology. The methodology alone can also be found in the following table down below. And when you click on either download option, you will see a prompt that comes up that asks you 2 quick questions to help us better learn how our users are using our data. And after responding to both questions and clicking submit, the data files will be downloaded to your computer. Suggested citations can also be accessed by clicking on the suggested citations text, and a pop-up will come up with the citations. Frequently asked questions about our estimates can also be found at the bottom of the page. On this page, you can also access our data customizing tool, which is best used in situations when you're looking for customized tables with demographic detail for specific geographies, and you don't necessarily need all of the data found in the above files. As a note, our customizing tool is not available for data at the city level. If you're interested in city level data or state and county totals only, then we recommend that you use the zip files up above instead of the customizing tool. Clicking on the Create Custom Table button will open up a new tab in your browser. On this page, you will see all the different options you have the ability to select from. First, we have the Estimate Years heading, which allows you to choose your year of interest. And this category will continue to be updated as we release new years of estimates. Next is the Sex category, and you're able to make multiple selections here if that is what you need. For the Age grouping category, you do have a few options. The default selection is no age groups totals only, but by clicking on the drop-down menu, you do have the option from choosing from individual ages, which will return data by single years of age starting from less than 1 year old all the way to 95 years and older. There's also the option of equal interval age groups if you want age groups of your desired size rather than single years of age. And lastly, you have the option of choosing custom age groups. You just need to input the age range you are interested in. Next is the race ethnicity section, where you have the option of choosing from totals, non-Hispanic white, non-Hispanic black, Hispanic, non-Hispanic Asian, and non-Hispanic other, or some combination of these options. You are able to select your geography of interest under area type. Options include county, the state, metropolitan statistical areas, Texas Comptroller Economic Regions, Texas Council of Governments, and Texas Department of Transportation districts. And once you select your preferred area type, the below section down here will populate with the appropriate selection choices. Next to the area type drop-down menu, you will see a box that says aggregated with the options yes or no. And this section applies to you if you make multiple selections under the areas type. If you would like a combined total for all these selections I make down here in this section, instead of totals for each separate part, then you would select yes for this category. If you would prefer separate values for each area, then you would select no. And once you have made all of your selections, you would simply need to select the Get Data button to view your data of interest. Now let us work through a simple example to help us get a little bit more familiar with how to use our tool. For our example, let's say that you're interested in learning how the Hispanic female population aged 18 years and older residing in Bexar County in 2022 compares to that residing in Travis County. Please feel free to pause the video here if you want to write down this prompt to follow along as we work through the example. Going back to our download tool, as we are interested in data for 2022, let us select that checkbox under Estimate Years. And for sex, we'll only select female because we're only interested in the female population. Under age grouping, as we're interested in the 18-year and older population, we'll select Custom Age Groups from the drop-down menu, and then write in 18 through 95, with 95 being the maximum age allowed. For race ethnicity, let's only select Hispanic. For area type, we'll keep this set to county since we're interested in county level data. Then let us look for Bexar County and check that box. And then we'll scroll down and look for Travis County as well. Right here. And because I want to compare the estimate for Bexar County with the estimate for Travis County, for the aggregated box, let's keep this set to no. In the case that you wanted to combine Bexar County and Travis County total, then I would set this yes to yes. But again, since we want to make a comparison between the two counties, we'll want separate values for each of them. So we'll keep this option set to no. And with all of our selections made, we can go ahead and click on the Get Data button. Again, you will see a prompt with the two questions come up. And after you respond to these questions, go ahead and click Submit. And after you do that, you will see the results of your search on this page. Walking through each column, first we have the year of the data, which is 2022, followed by the county, which is Bexar County and Travis County, and the FIPS area code. Next, we can see that for age, we only have the 18 years and older population. And this last column here will provide you with the combined results of all of the filters you have selected on the previous page. And as you can see here, you will find the Hispanic female population aged 18 years and older residing in Bexar County and Travis County. And going back to our original question, so how does the Hispanic female population aged 18 years and older residing in Bexar County compare to that residing in Travis County? Well, you can see that after a search, we can see that the Hispanic female population aged 18 years and older in Bexar County was approximately 300,000 larger than that residing in Travis County. And on this page, you also have the option to export this table as either a CSV file or as an Excel file. And you also have the option to show your search form criteria by clicking on the Show Criteria button, if you want to know exactly what selections you made on the last page, or if you wanted someone else to recreate your search. And lastly, if you click on the New Search button, you will be taken back to the initial search page. And as a friendly reminder, please remember to cite the Texas Demographic Center when you use our products. This concludes our tutorial for our Population Estimates Customization download tool. If you have any questions or encounter any trouble using our download tool, please feel free to contact our office through the following methods listed on the screen. Thank you.